Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. The resort corridor of Tower Isle offers a laid-back living experience with all the needed amenities within a short distance. Ocho Rios is a mere 10 minutes drive west and offers all the major attractions. This beautiful 7-bedroom house that is spread over 3 levels offers a great income earning potential. It also offers 2 separate entrances. The main entrance provides access to the kitchen, dining, living, and 1 bedroom. On this level, there is also the laundry room. 1 flight of stairs up takes you to 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, which includes the primary. There is also a living room, which leads to the balcony, which offers a great sea view. The lower floor, which has its own driveway, it's totally self-contained with 3 bedrooms, bathrooms, and 2 kitchenettes. Call today to view this property, which offers a myriad of opportunities. The land area of this house is approximately 13,067 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 650,000 or Jamaican $100 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.